Welcome back to Bassline Fresh. On today's episode, I'm going to be steam cleaning this dashboard and the cup holders and inside the vents, and paying attention to the steering wheel and definitely places where our hands touch the most. I recently bought this Bissell SteamShot. As you can see here, we're focusing on the front dashboard pieces first, the left side of the driver's side. You can see this is a mixture in my SteamShot. I have ONR with water, and it smells great and it has a lot of cleaning power, so you don't really need a lot of steam to get the job done. I also have 2 microfiber towels. One is a little bit coarse for any really nasty spots, and then one is a soft blue towel that you see me using here. It's important not to steam directly on your gauges and your dials on the driver's side. The steam can actually make condensation happen on the inside of the plastic, and it'll be hard to tell your speedometer and your gas level and things like that if there's liquid in there. So avoid spraying that directly with steam. What I did was I sprayed my cloth a little bit, got the product on there, and then just wiped it nicely. Made sure there's no lint, no dust left over. Moving on to the steering wheel here, you can see I'm paying special attention to the little buttons and any little creases that, you know, your natural oils can get onto. Here you see me using the steamer on the gear selector. That's definitely a high traffic area, so you want to get in there, really scrub away with it. Don't hold the steamer in one place for too long to avoid damage, but if you move it quickly and from all angles, you can really break down the grime with the steam. Just one quick pass, a couple layers of, making sure the area gets all the product on it, and then wiping it off quickly while it's still wet with the microfiber towel. If you just have a spray bottle with some APC or interior detailer, that absolutely works too. I've just been trying out the steamer as a way to be a little bit faster and to offer my customers a little bit something of a little higher quality service. As you can see here, spraying directly into the vents, not holding it in any one place, just quickly moving it around, letting that product get in there, make the vents smell nice. These little plastic pieces and edges and borders, don't hold the steam on there for more than 2 or 3 seconds. It's always super satisfying blowing out places like near the gas release valve, and things like in the creases of the door handles and on this door here as I move over. It's really, really fun using a steamer to just blast all that stuff away. Inside the cup holders is always a really nasty spot, so I made sure to give it a nice, good, long steam blast. Here you can see I switched to my green, a little bit more coarser microfiber just to get in there. There was some spilled food and spilled drinks in there, but the steamer got rid of everything. If you like today's video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and making sure more new viewers can tune in. I love making this content for you guys, and I hope you were entertained. This has been Bassline Fresh, London, Ontario's best detailing.